If you've been trying to figure out how to use Claude AI for marketing and you feel completely overwhelmed, this video is for you. Every tutorial out there throws 20 features at you. Agents, skills, connectors, MCP, and none of it tells you what to actually do on Monday morning. So here's what we're doing instead. 7 practical marketing tasks, start to finish, on screen. You'll watch Claude build a 1-week marketing plan, design social media graphics, create a full landing page from 1 paragraph, answer real Gmail messages, audit a page for SEO, create useful tools, and research the competition. All for one real business, and it works exactly the same whether that business is yours or a client's. Every prompt I use is on a free page linked in the description, so you can copy and paste along with me. And stick around for number 7, because that's the one that gives you an unfair advantage over the competition, and it's the one clients pay the most for. Before we touch any of the 7 tasks, we need a home base, and this is the part almost everyone skips. Nearly everything in this video happens in one place, Claude Cowork. Cowork comes with the free Claude desktop app, and if you've never seen it, think of it as Claude's workspace mode. Instead of just chatting, Claude works inside a folder on your computer. It can read files, create files, and run longer tasks, which is exactly what marketing work needs. So open the app, flip this toggle from chat over to Cowork, and click Project or Folder right here. Choose Create New Project. I'll name mine Solstice Marketing because our demo business for this video is Solstice Yoga, a small local studio in Florida. Then click Add Folder and give it a brand new empty one. Click the Always Allow button to give permissions to Claude to change your files, and click the Create Project button. And that's your home base. Whatever your business is, everything you're about to see works the exact same way. Just swap in your own details. Every plan, every page, every tool we build in this video lands in that folder, and you keep all of it. Now the step that changes everything, teaching Claude about your business. Most people open Claude and type, "Write me an Instagram post for my yoga studio," and they get fluff. That's not a Claude problem, that's a context problem. Claude doesn't know your prices, your customers, or how you talk, so it guesses, and guesses always sound generic. We're going to fix that, once, with one prompt, and here's the trick that makes it special. Instead of writing a brief ourselves, we make Claude interview us. The prompt is on the free page, and the core of it says, "You're my marketing strategist. Interview me about my business, 1 question at a time, up to 10 questions. Then compile my answers into a 1-page brand brief and save it as a file called brand brief in this folder." Watch what happens. Claude starts asking, "What's the business called and what does it sell? Who's your typical customer? Why do people pick you over the big gym down the road?" I answer in plain language, no marketing jargon needed. And when the interview is done, Claude writes the brief and saves it right into our folder. Target customer, offer, pricing, voice, goals, all in one file. And this is why the folder matters. From now on, every prompt in this video starts with 3 words. Read my brand brief. No pasting, no repeating yourself. Claude just opens the file and knows the business. This one file is the difference between AI content that sounds like everyone and content that sounds like you. Last piece of setup, and it takes 1 minute. We're going to give Claude professional marketing skills by installing the marketing plugin. It's made by Anthropic, so it's official, and it's free. Click the plus button and then add plugins. Search for marketing and click the plus button. Here's what you just got. Type a / in Cowork and look at that menu. Campaign planning, SEO audits, competitor briefs, content drafting. Each one is a skill built by marketers, and you run it with a simple command. Setup done. We have our folder, Claude knows our business, and it has pro-level skills. Now, let's put all of it to work, 7 times. Okay, the first thing we will create is a 7-day marketing plan for our imaginary yoga business. In Cowork, I type / and pick the campaign plan skill. My prompt starts with read my brand brief, and then I add 3 constraints, and the constraints are where you should pay attention. I have 5 hours this week, my budget is 0, my one goal is 10 new trial class signups. Give me a day-by-day plan where every task takes 30 minutes or less. And then the line that does the heavy lifting. Nothing generic. If a task could apply to any business, replace it with one that only makes sense for mine. That last sentence forces Claude to actually use the brief instead of reciting textbook marketing advice. Look at the result. Monday is a post about the Sunrise Rooftop class, because Claude knows from the brief that's the thing nobody else offers. Every day has 1 task, a time estimate, and a line explaining how it feeds the goal of 10 trial signups. That's not a strategy deck, that's a to-do list a busy owner can actually follow. And it's saved in our folder, which matters, because we're coming back for it in task 6. Moving on, the next task is creating an Instagram carousel in Claude Design. This is Claude's design tool that can create stunning graphics, carousels, websites, presentations, or even animations without touching Photoshop and without a designer. Monday's task in our plan is that rooftop class social media post, so let's actually make it. Open the design app from the sidebar and attach our brand brief to the prompt. In the prompt text, give it 3 things. the brand brief, the topic, and a suggested structure. Now watch the screen. Slide 1 comes back with a headline you'd actually stop scrolling for. The middle slides answer the real objections, and the last slide has one clear call to action. And if the style isn't right, you're not stuck with it. You have 3 levels of control here. Level 1, just talk to it. Try a version with photography instead of illustration. Make it feel more premium. It redesigns in seconds. Level 2, show it what you want. Drag in a screenshot of a design you love, a competitor's post, a template, a page from a magazine, and say, match this visual approach, but keep my message. Claude reads the look, the typography, the spacing, the color relationships, and applies it to your content. Level 3 is the one that actually changes your business, and it's a one-time setup. Claude Design can build you a design system from your existing brand. Upload your logo, a brand guide, a deck, even just point it at your website, and Claude pulls out your colors, your fonts, and your components, and saves them as your system. From that point on, every single thing you create comes back in your brand automatically. Task 3 is my favorite visual payoff in this whole video, building a landing page. For this one, we're switching tools. Go back to Cowork and click Code in the sidebar. This is Claude Code, and it's the same idea as Cowork, except it's built for making things that run, like web pages. Give it a home by selecting the same folder we created for our business. Before we write any prompts, we need one thing, the official Frontend Design plugin by Anthropic. This is what helps Claude build websites that don't look like an AI made them. Click the plus button, select plugins, then browse plugins. Search for Frontend Design, select it, and click Install. Now go back to Claude Code and paste the prompt from the instructions page. It tells Claude to read our brand brief and use the front-end design skill to build a single landing page for the free trial class. Then you just watch it work. And this part genuinely feels like magic the first time. It writes the headline, structures the sections, picks the colors and the typography, and saves the page straight into our folder. And look at that, a mobile-friendly page, a hero section with the offer in plain words, a short bit answering first-timer fears, the class schedule, and one button. Nothing else competing for attention. Want something different? Animations, images, a completely different layout? You just ask. And if you want to go deeper on this, I've got a whole video on building websites with Claude Code, with ready-made prompts and a custom skill that builds stunning sites from a few questions. Check it out after this one, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorials. Moving on, task 4 is the moment Claude stops being a chat window and starts touching your real tools. Connectors let you plug Claude into the apps you already use, your email, your calendar, your files, your drive, and from that point, it's not just talking about your work, it's doing it. In this example, we'll connect Gmail. Click the plus button, then Connectors, and Manage Connectors. Click Connect next to Gmail, select your account, and give Claude permission to access your emails. That's it. Claude can now read your actual inbox and write drafts for you. And to be clear, it drafts, you always press send. You stay in control of everything that leaves your account. So what does that actually get you? 3 things. First, your inbox catches up with itself. You can ask Claude to go through the last 7 days, find the messages from customers you never replied to, and draft a reply to each one in your brand voice. Second, and this is the one people underestimate, it handles the awkward emails. Someone wants to cancel, someone's unhappy, someone's asking for a discount. Those are the emails that sit unopened for 3 days because you don't know what to say. Claude drafts a reply that's warm, offers a real alternative, and sounds like you, and it does it in about 4 seconds. Third, it builds your funnels. Remember that landing page we just made? You can ask Claude for a 3-email welcome sequence for everyone who books a free trial. 1 to confirm the booking and calm their nerves, 1 the day before with what to bring and where to park, 1 the day after with a soft invitation to join. Subject lines and all, ready to load into whatever email tool you use. The prompts for all 3 are on the free page, ready to copy. An email is just one connector. Same idea works with your calendar, your drive, your notes. Task 5, the mini SEO audit. And here's the twist that makes it beginner-friendly. We're not auditing a whole website. That's overwhelming, and you won't act on it. We point Claude at one page, the page that matters most. And here's the smart part. Most people build a page, publish it, and audit it a year later when it's not ranking. We're going to audit ours before it ever goes live. It's sitting right there in our folder. I run the SEO audit skill, and my prompt says, audit this one page only. My target search is yoga classes for beginners plus my city. Explain every issue in plain English and give me a fix list ordered by impact, with the exact change to make for each fix. The exact change to make. That phrase is what separates this from a generic checklist. Claude gets to work, and a few minutes later it comes back with the fixes and asks if you want to apply them straight into the page. Say yes and look at the difference. Our location is right there at the top, where a searcher and Google both see it immediately. Our heading now works for people and for search at the same time. It still sounds like us, it just says what we actually do. And you can point this at any page you want. Your homepage, a blog post that used to rank and doesn't anymore, a product page that gets traffic but no sales. Paste the address instead of the file, and Claude reads the live page. Do one a week, and in a couple of months, your whole site is covered. And if you're doing this for clients, that same prompt is a free audit you can send a prospect before you ever pitch them. Now let's move on to task 6, and this one is a mindset shift. Most people only ask Claude for answers. You should also ask it to build you tools. Claude can create something you can see and use, a page, a document, or an interactive tool. And in Cowork, it lands as a real file in your folder. Remember our 1-week plan from task 1? It's sitting in the folder as text. So I ask, read my marketing plan and turn it into an interactive checklist I can use every day. A checkbox for each task, grouped by day, the time estimate next to each one, and a progress bar at the top. A few seconds later, there's a new file in the folder. I open it in my browser, and look at this, a working tool. I tick off Monday's task and the progress bar moves. That's my marketing dashboard for the week, built from my own plan in under a minute. You can use simple prompts and create a content calendar, a price comparison table, a simple calculator for your ad spend. Anything you can describe it, Claude can build it, and it all stays in your folder. And that brings us to task 7, the one I promised you at the start, competitor research. We'll run 2 examples. The first uses web search. Find the yoga studios in my area. And for the top 2, tell me their prices, their intro offers, their review ratings, and most important, what customers complain about. That last part is gold, because complaints are a map of unmet needs. Claude searches the live web and comes back with a real comparison. One studio's classes run packed. The other locks you into a 21-day cancellation notice. And neither one lets you try a class for free. The second is the competitive brief skill from the marketing plugin. I tell it, read my brand brief, here's the research, now build me a positioning brief. Where do we win? Where do we lose? And what's the one message no competitor is using that we can own? And the gap comes back crystal clear. Every competitor's website talks to people who already do yoga. Nobody speaks to the nervous beginner. So the yoga studio for people who've never done yoga, first class free, on the rooftop at sunrise. That's the angle. And look at the end of that brief. It goes back through our week 1 plan and tells us exactly which post to rewrite to match. One message, and everything we built today falls in behind it. So that's the full system, and it all lives in that one folder. Teach Claude your business first. Then plan the week, create the visuals, build the page, handle the email, fix the SEO, turn your plans into tools, and study your competition. Grab all the prompts from the free page in the description, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.